Man, I'm out here trying to whip up me a new color for my truck on some mad scientist type shit, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm going with a red, but I'm gonna mix it with some orange. I got some more red in the house. Copper diamond pearl, copper pearl, red pearl, scarlet shine. I'm just trying to do the food with this reddish orangish color, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. Custom colors, whatever you want. If you need your car painted, man, let's go. What's up with it, Custom Found? Yo, check this out. It's what we're working on right now. When I was talking about my lineups and things that I had to do, I just kept failing to mention about this, but I knew I had this that I wanted to do the whole time, because it's been sanding it down for close to a month or longer. But I got it masked up, got it prepped out, going around it, hitting things by hand. Just cleaned that up. Finna put some paper on this and get this shot. Today we just doing the base coat. I'm not gonna shoot the clear today. I'm just gonna get it based out and try to take my time, do a really good job with that, get some good coats on there, and then later this week we'll put some clear on there. But this is what we got going. Gotta charge my phone up. I'm gonna cut y'all back on. I'm gonna get some paint on here. And just like that, the truck is red. There's 2 good coats and a drop coat. I used all paint. I had a little bit over 3 quarts, not quite a gallon. A little bit over 3 quarts. I didn't want to reduce it too hard. Y'all know these reds is hard to cover with, so did well. They went well. I made this color. I'm gonna show y'all what I was using to make this color. A lot of pearl in it, but I'm gonna add more pearl in the clear. A blue, green, and gold color shift pearl inside the clear, and see what we come up with this. But I like it. I wanted to go with like probably a gray or some type of poly, you know what I'm saying? Some type of you know, a lighter color, but or green. But y'all tap in and stay tuned. All right, y'all. It's the next day. I'm showing y'all this on my other phone because I want y'all to see the temperature. It's 55 degrees right now, 220. And I got the clear coat on the truck. Lot going on with this paint job. I mixed up a couple of different reds to make this red first off. Then I put a lot of pearl in that, which I didn't even get an opportunity to really see what that was gonna look like, because I had found a little supposedly color shift product that was real cheap. I'm talking about like $5 cheap. So I ordered that and it came and I mixed it in the clear. It was supposed to be a blue, green, and gold like color shift. And I want to see what that would look like on top of the red. But when I sprayed it, it just looked like red with gold flakes. So luckily, I had a little bit of a Delta left over, blue to purple color shift left over from when the first time when I painted my Cutlass last. So I threw that in there and it gave it a little, so now you see a little purple in there. Still can't see the blue really popping out of it, but maybe it is. Just can't see it reflecting off of these tarps or whatever. But I like it. It's cool. It's cool. Got some paint on there. This is my work truck. I'm about to start riding around scrapping because I ain't too far from the scrap yard. So that's like easy money. That purple is hitting off of here. I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. I had a dude, he hopped in the comments, shout out to Gene Taylor. It might be John. I got a cousin named John Taylor, but it look like it's spelled Gene, so it might be John. Shout out John Taylor. He hopped on one of my comments on one of the posts and he said, if you paint under 60 degrees and the temperature gonna drop, it ain't gonna work. I was like, and then he dropped his tag, Underground Paint King 405. I was like, okay, yeah. So y'all make sure y'all go check him out, cause he seemed like he know what he talking about, and he probably doing this thing. I gotta go check him out. I ain't checked him out. I know that ain't UP King, Underground Paint King. I know that ain't him, cause that ain't come from. But if that is, I know he know what he talking about. But now, when I painted this car, it was about 12 o'clock this afternoon, man. They said it was gonna get 57 today. It's 55, and it's almost 3, and it's gonna get dark at 5. So that means when I shot this car, when I start putting the clear on today, it was only probably about 50 degrees, 52, 53 tops. But I think it was about 52 degrees, 53. And here you have it. So I can't have my viewers thinking that they can't paint in certain temperatures, because you mean to tell me that if you work in a shop with a heater, and it's like 20 degrees outside or below, and you got a heater in your shop, and you get your shop, you can't get it no higher than like 60. You mean to tell me you can't paint? Nah, that's not true. Now, your reducers, your hardeners, you know what I'm saying? Which temperature you decide to use, which, you know what I'm saying, which one you decide to use in those conditions, that may play a role. But paint and clear coat does go down in cold weather. And it for sure go down outside in your backyard. Let's get it. I wanted to show y'all this. When I go to the paint store, any paint store you go to, they gonna have called oops or whatever. It's paint that people didn't pick up. Sometimes they don't like the way the color. Sometimes people just don't come pick up their paint. So you'll catch a discount. Like these quarts usually run you probably 50 to 100, depending on the color. So 50 all the way to $100, depending on the color for a quart. So to get it for $25 each, and then these paints for 15 each. This one was free. I mean, and then I had a red. So, you know, I had to do it. And they trying to keep me broke because they set out another set when I left this morning. And I'm probably gonna want to try to go get some of that. This that Omni quick clear. Like I said, it's 2 to 1. So when I used it last time, I still had half a gallon left. I had almost 2 quarts left. So to paint this car, I knew that was gonna probably be enough, but I needed a little bit more, so I only went and got a quart of this, which this ran me $30. Then I got me some hardener. You know, hardener is hardener, so I ain't, you know, which you should get the hardener that match the clear or the product you're using, but when you at my level, you know that, hey, it'll work, you know. It's just my car. But so $25 for the quart that I use, and $56 with taxes for this morning. How much is that? Add that up. And I was able to produce this. I'm trying to zoom in so hopefully y'all can see the metallics and the sparkles, the pearl, whatever you want to call it. But while we doing this, hey man, y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. You know, I get a lot of views and I get a lot of comments, but to hit that like button, man, that's where the support is at. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, or the share button. I said, why people always say that? You gotta let people know. You gotta ask people to do that for you. So will y'all do that for me? Hit that like button, you know. Thank y'all for watching the video and enjoying it. Or if you didn't enjoy it, hey, hit the like button. Don't hit the dislike button. Nah, man, but hey, I be putting the link on there for Venmo. If you want to support the channel, say, man, send me something, man. Tap in, I can get more. I get the inflatable boot. I get the products you guys want. Send me some cash. Send me some. Bless my game so I can continue to bless y'all game. You feel me? Let me know what ways I could make it easier for y'all to support. Thank y'all.